say any of that.
Exactly. Well, she assaulted me.
We like to do the right thing. Do you mind giving me your identification
For what?
so that I could document this?
Charges? You gonna charge her?
We've got to investigate it first.
All right. Yeah, I'm not going to identify myself right now. I'll do a formal complaint.
Okay. Do you know how to do that?
I do. I think so. You want to walk me through it?
Sure. You could go to any of our precincts to get a formal complaint.
Which one is she out of?
The third, but anyone will take it.
But I want to know where she's out of. Who is her direct supervisor? You?
I am not.
Okay. And what was your name?
I'm Lieutenant Matthews.
Would you have a badge number, Matthews?
20.
20? Okay. Do you have a business card?
I will get you one.
Okay, I appreciate that. There's a vehicle coming, so I just don't want to.
Thank you.
I'm going to give you the same, in return. You know what I mean? But what I don't, she came out of her vehicle. I'll tell you exactly a verbal kind of complaint, but I'll do it the formal way as well. But I was standing on the easement. Okay, there's no sidewalk, and it's usually 15 feet from the center line of the road. All right, and she came over and she said, "Can I talk to you, sir? Can I talk to you?" And I was walking away, and I said, "No." And she said, "Well, you're allowed to record blah, blah, blah." And I said, "Okay." So then I turned around and I got her identification, her name and badge number. Okay. And then she was telling me that I'm trespassing from the property, but the owners of the property never told me I wasn't allowed on the property. Not that I ever stepped foot on the property.
I understand.
Okay. And I told her she doesn't have the authority unless they tell me that I'm trespassing. And they said, "Well, they don't want you on the property." And I said, just like that.
Okay.
Then she said, "Well, now you're being trespassed." I said, "Great." She's like, "Give me your identification." I said, "No, I don't have to give you an identification for verbal trespass."
Okay.
Now I'll be arrested if I go back on the property. Okay? I don't know. I don't want to go on the property anyway.
Can I get you that card? Is there
Yeah.
anything else I can get for you?
The CAD number for this call, please. And if you could write on the back of it exactly what district she works out of,
Sure.
and then I'll find her supervisor and go from there.
Certainly.
Thank you. And where are you from? What district are you?
I'm at Precinct 4.
Precinct 4? Okay. Do you work alongside her, or no, you're in a different district? Okay. Does she not have a direct supervisor on duty that you know of?
I don't know where he's at right now.
Who was the other? There's
Sergeant Galt.
what is it?
G-A-U-L-T Galt.
Do you know his identification number? If you don't, it's
I'll
fine.
get it.
Okay. Why didn't he come and speak to you? Is that the direct supervisor?
No.
Interesting. And we all know that they would never, ever push charges on these deputies.